Write answers to the following questions in your own words. How is light scattered by the air? Air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke, and moisture. Just now we have seen it is a homogeneous mixture. So, when rays of light fall on these minute particles, the particles they spread the light in all directions. This natural phenomenon is called scattering of light. Explain the various properties of water. Water is useful for water transport due to its fluidity. Water falling down from height is used to generate electricity with the help of a generator. Water is a good coolant and is used in motor vehicles to control the temperature of the engine. Many substances are soluble in water. Water is a universal solvent. Just now we have seen it. And it is used as a solvent in factories, laboratories, foodstuffs, and in various types of biological processes occurring in the body, such as digestion, excretion, etc. Water is useful for cleaning purposes such as bathing, washing clothes. Why is the density of seawater more than that of rainwater? This also you can answer. There are many dissolved salts in seawater, and therefore the density of seawater is more than that of rainwater. What is the importance of good soil structure? Good soil structure results in good fertility of soil. In soil of good quality, the roots get sufficient supply of oxygen. In such soil, the water drainage is good. What are the various uses of soil? The primary uses are plant conservation, water conservation, and plasticity. First, plant conservation. It helps the plants to grow, soil. Soil is also responsible for water conservation. It holds water. As a result, by means of bunds and lakes, we can get water for use throughout the year. Plasticity. Soil can be given any required shape, and this property of soil is called plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can use it to make articles of variety of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Water storage, earthen pots, earthen lamps, idols, bricks, etc. are articles made from soil. What is the need and importance of soil testing from the point of view of farmers? The farmer wants a good produce from his crops. By soil testing, he understands the various ingredients of soil. During soil testing, the soil is examined for color, texture, and proportion of organic matter. Soil is tested to find out if there is a deficiency of any ingredients and to decide what measures should be taken to remove the deficiency. So all this is very required. Only when you know how the soil is, then you will come to know the quality of soil. Based on that, you can decide which crop to plant in the particular soil and which crop will give better yield in the particular soil. So two tests, namely the pH and electrical conductivity tests, are particularly useful in finding out the characteristics of soil. What is the importance of air in transmission of sound? Air is a medium for transmission of sound. We are able to perceive the sound due to air around us. Sound travels through the medium of air and reaches us. In the absence of air, we cannot hear the sound. Therefore, air is most important in transmission of sound. Why should a glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in a freezer? The temperature of freezer is always less than 4 degrees Celsius, so density of water starts decreasing. At the same time, the volume starts increasing. And due to this anomalous behavior of water, it expands while it is getting frozen. And due to this expansion, the glass bottle may burst. The broken glass pieces may cause harm. Therefore, the glass bottles should not be kept after completely filling them. Thank you.